Welcome to Health Vibes with Mosumola. My name is Mosumola and I am your host. Thank you for joining the conversation. Kindly like, share and subscribe. It's a conversation. Your comments keep bringing me back all the time. I'm actually here just because of you. On today's episode, we're going to have an understanding of some terms which will help us to understand how our body works. The terms are menopause, hormones, ovaries, and eggs. You'll agree with me now that menopause is not a disease. It occurs naturally when a woman's ovary run out of functional eggs. Let's define those terms. Ovaries. Ovary is an organ in the female reproductive system that produces the ovum or eggs. These ovaries secrete hormones, and these hormones play an important role in menstrual cycle and fertility. Can we see the uniqueness of the ovaries? Two main functions. The ovaries produces eggs. The ovaries secrete hormones which are responsible for menstrual cycle and fertility. Hormones are chemical messengers that are being produced in certain parts of the body, and after they have been produced, they travel to other cells and organs, and they control how the cells and organs work. Hormones have effects on our appetite, weight, and mood. Hormones are very powerful. At the time of birth, most women or most females produce 1 to 3 million eggs, which are lost gradually throughout their lifetime. At the menstrual period of a girl child, an average of 400,000 eggs are found. At late 30s, your ovaries produces less of estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen and progesterone play a role in menstrual cycle and fertility of a woman. Low levels of estrogen can produce risk of heart disease, stroke, and osteoporosis. In order to avoid the risk associated with low estrogen levels in the body due to menopause, there are some foods that have been discovered or known to increase estrogen levels. Some of these food items are soya beans, flax seeds, sesame seeds, food rich in vitamin 2, vitamin B6, food rich in vitamin D, boron, black cohosh, even primrose oil, cruciferous vegetables, nuts. Few episodes we're going to discuss more about these foods that are rich in estrogen level.